should be about the rights of land, forest rights, cultural rights, and more power to economy. Sir, if we don't utilize our state resources, our state economy will be dead, sir. Paul Dangshu TTAADC forum gunang speaker sir, TTAADC ni let me start from TTAADC. I have not chosen much, but 8 to 9 departments. Sir, when we talk about Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council and the fund flow of TTAADC, sir, it should be about the rights of land, forest rights, cultural rights, and more power to economy. But sir, anyone in TTAADC can walk in and claim a place. Sir, it is a concern now. People from general areas are coming to TTAADC, and it's not the duty of laws only. The sixth schedule to protect the district council, but it's also the duty of the majority to protect the minorities, sir. So I will request our Honorable Chief Minister and all the Council of Ministers to kindly look into the matter, to kindly scrutinize the population and save our TTAADC. Sir, TTAADC is given fund through state, and from the last financial year, 156 crore is still pending. If the fund flow is little bit slow, it creates so much of inconvenience for the staff as well as the administration, sir. Sir, the revenue and finance department. Sir, we all know the connectivity of our state Tripura and also the logistical concern in the geographical isolation. This is the reason big investors are not stepping into our state. Big industrialists are not coming. In this case, sir, if we don't utilize our state resources, our state economy will be dead, sir, because the loan will be rising. And if we don't use the state resources, if we don't utilize the proper way of the cultivation of rubber, the cultivation of bamboo, and other agricultural things, sir, our economy will surely fall someday. That's why I will request that our rubber price will be raised, and also the other raw materials which is cultivated in our state.